Today, we're diving into one of the most hotly anticipated mirrorless camera updates of the year, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. The original R7 was already a fan favorite in Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup, offering excellent value, fast autofocus, and professional-grade performance at a mid-range price. But what does the R7 Mark II bring to the table? Why is it stirring such a buzz? And what's the real story behind the price shocker that's leaving creators speechless? Let's jump into the deep end and explore every feature, spec, and shocking truth about this beastly upgrade in 2025. Before diving into the upgrades, let's rewind and remember why the original Canon EOS R7 was such a success. Released in 2022, the R7 delivered a 32.5 MP APS-C sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, 15 frames per second mechanical/30 frames per second electronic burst shooting, 4K 60p video with 10-bit C-Log 3, IBIS with up to 7 stops, dual UHS-2 card slots. All this at a launch price of $1,499, making it a dream camera for hybrid shooters, vloggers, wildlife photographers, and even pros looking for a lightweight B-cam. But in 2025, the game has changed. Competition is fierce, and expectations are sky-high. The Canon R7 Mark II is Canon's direct response to the rising wave of high-spec APS-C mirrorless cameras, like the Fujifilm X-H2, Sony FX30, and Nikon Z52, rumored. With Sony pushing AI-driven autofocus and Fujifilm dominating with 8K video in APS-C, Canon needed a leap forward. Canon's vision for the R7 Mark II is simple. Make a compact camera with the performance of a flagship and the flexibility of a hybrid shooter's dream. Here's what reliable sources and early leaks suggest about the EOS R7 Mark II. 32.5 MP APS-C stacked CMOS, newer gen. Dual Digic X2, upgraded for better heat handling and AI tasks. Dual pixel CMOS AF3, with deep learning subject detection. Burst shooting, 20 frames per second mechanical, up from 15 frames per second. 40 frames per second electronic shutter. In-body image stabilization, 8.0